Hi everyone, I hope y'all had a great break and are having a good first day back or whenever you're watching this. I thought that I would make a little video just going through what Tipton and I talked about in our session in case you wanted to review it if you came or you didn't and would like more information on what you missed out on. But I will link this video here and email this page out, is why it has that there. But we did a Nearpod lesson, and so if you want to self-pace through the lesson and look at it, you can click on that link there. But we talked about WICORizing your lesson plans, and so remember that WICOR stands for Writing, Inquiry, Collaboration, Organization, and Reading. And there are some examples on here of things that y'all are already doing. We're not trying to go, hey, do something brand new that'll take loads of time. Y'all are great teachers that are already using the WICOR strategies, and so we're just looking to document it so that the Avid Site team can say, hey, we really are using WICOR strategies, because we know you are, we just have no way of proving that you already are. And so that's why we're doing this. But I have created a template, and if you click in here, you should have access, and you can type in, you can create your own copy if you want to edit it from here. But if you click make a copy, let me close that out so that it does this. But you can make a copy and you can type in like whatever class you're teaching and the period here. I like to do it so that I have each unit title is already in there and the content vocab for that particular unit is in there. And I have the academic and avid vocab in here as well. And then you'll add the different things. But then you just fill this in. So this is almost essentially the same thing as what Mrs. Rambo sent out October of 2018, I think it was. And some of you have gotten it since then. But if you just hit Control A to highlight everything, Control C to copy, and then you can either go directly to your planner or I've linked it here. But if you want to go in and you can highlight whatever you have on a certain day and hit Control V to paste it in, and you can make this your template. I already have, just so that you can see, like, if this is my financial math class, it's 2nd through 6th period that I teach it. I went ahead and put in my unit title and essential questions, since that's what I'm doing every day. And I went ahead and put my unit vocab and I have my avid vocab. And what I do is, if I'm talking about the amortization table, then I can click on a certain word on a certain day and just bold it, and that makes it easier than typing in, thinking through, oh, I'm going to analyze today. That's the avid vocab. It's easier to just go ahead and bold it. And then what you'll want to do is on like an individual day. So if you are trying to think through and ask the question of how do you choose between leasing and owning a vehicle, for example, well, what strategies am I going to use in my lesson? Am I going to have them collaborate? Are they going to work in partners? Is there going to be an organization piece? I do a project during this unit, and so there's a lot of organization. They have to read different things about cars, but you'll just think through what all are they going to do. Well, they're going to write on this particular day, or they're going to have an inquiry question that they're going to do, and you just pick anywhere from 1 to 5 of the WICOR lessons, and you're going to type those into your lesson plan each day. Now, so that you don't have to go in and copy and paste this template, the easiest thing to do is to click up here where it says more lesson options on the little tool, and you just click set default text for entry. You can click OK, and then any day that doesn't already have something there, it now looks exactly like that. And so that gives you a nice starting place, and hopefully you found this super helpful, that you can go through and do all this for yourself. Feel free to stop by and ask questions of Ms. Tipton or myself, and we'll be happy to help you. Y'all have a great second semester.